Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back again with another unboxing. This time is gonna be a Sephora favorite kit. It's a new kit that they just released not long ago. This one is called Sunkissed Glow. Looks like this. The box is really small, like most of the makeup boxes. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, and one of them it's a full size. But before going into this one, because I'm keep getting the question, how do I get so many samples? I'm gonna show you one of the ways that I'm getting samples, because I have this order, and Sephora has 3 ways that you can get free samples with them. One of them are those 2 free samples that they ship with any order. You just need to choose 2 of them. This time probably I didn't choose those for sure, but they sent me the deep brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in deep brown black. Is this one, and I have to say that one sample like this lasts a long way. And the second sample that they sent me is Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion Age Defining Exfoliator. Is this one. So choose 2 samples free with any order. It's a way to get samples from Sephora. The other way to get samples of Sephora is to go in gift offers or something like that. I don't know exactly how it's called in the menu, or offer something like that in offers. And they have all kind of offers with purchase. If you purchase fragrances, you can get fragrances, or depend of the value that your order has. This time I chose this one. They had 2 different bags like this, which is called Fragrance Sample Set April 2018. They had 2 different ones. I chose this one, and let's see what's in this one. Probably this one was with an order with a value over 25 or something like that. And I'll show you what I have in this kit. It's a bunch of samples. The first one I chose, this one is the you get from perfume samples and a mascara. So all the samples, I believe the perfume were the same in those 2, in those bags. Just mascara was different. So I chose the Urban Decay Stir Up Trouble with 13.7 lash volume. Is this one. And as I said before, sample mascara lasts a lot for me. So is this guy. So this was the first item in this free bag. And then we have Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent. We have Victor and Rolf, the natural spray. We have here more Chloe. This is I don't know, something. Anyway, a sample from Chloe. Stella, we have them. We have Daisy Marc Jacobs. We have Philosophy Amazing Grace, and we have Giorgio Armani. So all of those are in this bag that you can get. It is a coupon with each order that you have to apply when you check out, and you get this. So this was the second way I usually get samples from Sephora, and the last one is using your points. I believe this one was 250 points, and it's an Ulla Henriksen set, which I get all the time. We have this cleanser from Ulla Henriksen. This is Fine Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser, and this is a good size for a sample. You saw this one many times with my orders. This one looks like this. And in this kit also is this pack, and this one is called, still from Ulla Henriksen, is Get Your Ulla Glow 3 Little Wonder 7-day transformation. You have a full skincare regimen, if I can say that, for 7 days, AM and PM. And I'll open this one to show you what's in this. So you get 7 of these, and each of them has the Truth serum. You have a moisturizer, you have a night gel, and actually you have, in this one are 2 steps for morning and 2 steps for night. Morning comes with Truth serum and perfect sheer transformation perfecting moisturizer, and for the night we have here invigorating night transformation gel and perfecting moisturizer. So 2 morning, 2 night, not bad, I would say. I love Ulla Henriksen, so I get this one all the time. So this is the 3rd way that I'm getting samples, and of course because I have many orders, they pile up, so I all the time have samples for samples of the week. Also Ulta, it's another way that I'm buying samples with orders, if I can say that. You get that free bag with purchase. So points, offers, and free samples with every order. So I keep saying this because I am always asked how I get samples, so this is one of the ways. Then let's go ahead and see what's in this kit. It's a new kit, as I said. This one is $40 and it has a value of $99. So let's see what's in this one. I don't have anything here. Sorry. Gosh, so hard to open this. I have to find something. I don't have anything close to me. Okay, finally, one of them. Oops. Okay, so here is the kit, the box, and here is the kit inside, which I really like. I like Sephora favorites because they always come very neat and in place. There is no chance to get a broken item, which I really like. So in this one, as I said, we have 7 items, and let's start with the tiniest one. I'm gonna take this one out. Also, boxes are always great to keep samples or whatever else you want. So the first thing in here is from Hourglass, and this one is probably it's a highlighter. Let me see. Here was this one. This one is Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in Champagne. So as I said, it's a highlighter which looks like this, and let's see how this tiny guy works. It's really pretty. Love the color, and of course love the size of this. So this was the first very nice and nice formula, which I would say first item in the kit. The second one, it's Seattle product, which looks like this, and this one is the full size item in this box, and this is Seattle London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm, which looks like this. And let's see how much product is in this one. As I said, this is the single full size product in the box. Looks like this. That's all in this stick, and let's see what guy does. I don't know if you can see this right here. Anyway, is this one. We'll see how this one works when you apply it on face. It feels like a balm, and we'll see how this one works. Then the next product in the box is from Hoola. It's from Benefit. It's Hoola. This one is a bronzer, which looks like this. I'm trying to show you the color. Here is the shade. Because I have that balm, it doesn't blend very well, but this is a very well-known product from Benefit, and this is Hoola in Natural Bronze. Then we have in this kit, we have a third product which you probably know very well, is this one, and this one is Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Ave Princess. Looks like this. It's a good size also, and I have to say that I like this one more than the Benefit one. Here is the shade of this. It blends better than the Benefit one. Then the next product, it's a Milk product. Milk is not one of my favorite brands. Is this tiny guy, and this one is Milk Makeup Highlighter in Lit, the shade Lit. So highlighters and bronzers in this kit. This is all in this tiny guy, which I think will last a long time. And let's see how this one is. I'm not sure if you can see. Here is this shade. It is nice, looks nice. We'll see how this one stays on skin. Milk highlighter. Then we have a Laura Mercier, which looks like this, and this one is Matte Radiance Baked Power in Highlight in the shade 01. And here is the product. Let's try to swatch this. It's right here. I didn't try this one until now, so I'm curious to see how this one works. And the last product in the box, it's from Becca, and this one is Sunlight Bronzer in Capri Coast, and this one looks like this. Pretty shade is this one here, like this one also. So far we have 7 products in this kit. Great names, as excepting the Milk, but probably that one will work too. We have Hourglass, we have Ciate, Benefit, Becca, Laura Mercier, Milk and Tarte, which is not bad at all, I would say. This kit will last a long time because those are bronzers and highlighters, and those are not products that you finish right away, at least I don't. So looks like this. I think it's worth it, the $40, and also with this one, if you have points and you apply to get those samples, it's even more worth it than buying this alone. I like the kit. Let me know what do you think. As you know, I love Sephora favorites. I'm getting most of their makeup and skincare favorites. This is another good one, and I have to say for me Sephora is the best in mixing products in those kits. Great job. I don't know if you what you think about them, but so far I like to shop at Sephora. This was the Sunkissed Glow. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about Sephora favorites, and especially about this kit, if it's worth it or not. Let me know if you used to get those samples from Sephora, though in the 3 ways that I just told you about. And I'll see you guys soon with something else. So for now, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.